how the upload an Excel file works. That is mainly used if you've got an Excel with your spec sheets. You're just going to make sure that you mirror the sizes in the information correctly. So in this instance, we're just going to start with an import. So I'll just select this one. Just a random jeans. Anyway, here I've got all my information. So obviously on your spec, you'll have to have that information mirrored. So a waist will only be found if you have also on your specs a waist. Same for bottom opening, tight, inseam, and whatsoever. So you could do that with starting a size chart from scratch, or by doing a size chart through a product. Make sure also you mirror the sizing, because if on your spec sheets your sizing is small, medium, large, but on your Shopify product it's 28, 30, 32, well, it won't find it, it won't mirror it. So anyway, here we are, upload a file, and here I'll be looking at uploading one of my files. So in this instance, I'm gonna go and find a relevant file. And I've got this one. I'm just gonna press OK, and then it says it found one sheet. Proceed. Now it's uploading. It's finding, the bot is basically finding all the relevant information, and what it did here, it found a hip, a tight, a waist, an inside leg, and it also found all the sizes. So now I'm gonna go, and you can obviously edit if you want to manually edit any of the information. You can clear some sections as well. That's if you see a mistake, or if you want to change things, or if you want to add a size. And then just press, when you're ready, import selection. And here we are. So what that did is, in 2 seconds I created a size chart. I've uploaded my spec sheets. Our system found the relevant sizes and the relevant specs, and it auto-populated it. So this is a good feature, but make sure that all the wording and sizing aligns, because obviously if you call a waist a bust, well, it won't show up here because the bot won't find the information.